Hello everyone and welcome to my video. In this video I'll show you how to change the battery of a Movement Voyager watch. This particular watch is a Movement Voyager Desert. It's very easy to remove the band, so you have to slide the band from the ring and just slide it from the pin that is holding it. You don't need to remove any pin. Now with a specialized tool that I got from eBay, I will pry the back cover of the watch open. It's very easy to pry it open. And now the battery is in the mechanism. Using a precision screwdriver, I'm just removing the battery slowly, and here it is. Now I'm ready to install the new battery. The battery that this watch takes is of a model 371. Simply slide the battery in the watch. Make sure the flat surface is facing up. It's better to put the watch on something that is soft so not to scratch it. Now put back the back cover. There's a small opening that you should align with the pin, and once it is aligned, just push it a little bit so that it goes in just a little bit, and then with a little bit of force you can push it in. As you see, it's easy, and that's it. Now I'm adjusting the watch and putting back the band. Just slide it in and then slide it in the pin, and that's it. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.